Are you struggling to connect with your prospects? In today's fast-paced market, businesses need powerful communication tools. Email remains one of the most cost-effective ways to engage and convert leads. Introducing Pipedrive, your ultimate solution for optimizing email strategies. With features like email tracking and automation, you can nurture relationships effortlessly. Imagine sending targeted emails that capture attention. Pipedrive lets you track opens and clicks. You'll know when to follow up. Plus, use customizable email templates to save time while personalizing your outreach. Pipedrive stands out with its unique scheduling feature. Easily set up meetings that work for you and your prospects. No more back-and-forth emails. Join over 100,000 companies thriving with Pipedrive. Experience fast, efficient, and effective communication that helps you close deals faster than ever. Ready to transform your sales approach? Sign up now for full access. No credit card required. Don't miss your chance to win more prospects today.